Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the car and cutting power. Turn the engine off, set the parking brake, remove the key, and disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts. Once done, open the hood and locate the rear of the headlight assembly. There will be a dust cap or clips. Remove those covers now. You need clear access to the bulb socket. Make sure you have the correct replacement bulb on hand so you don't waste time mid-job. Now you'll remove the old bulb carefully. Inspect the retainer. Some Lincoln MKZ use a twist lock, others a spring clip, so either rotate counterclockwise or unhook the clip to free the socket. Pull the bulb straight back without twisting the glass and support the assembly so nothing drops. If the bulb is stuck, wiggle gently while keeping force even. Check the socket and wiring for corrosion or melted plastic. Addressing that now prevents immediate failure after installation. You install the new bulb by handling only the base or using gloves, line it up, push straight into the socket, and re-engage the retainer until it's snug. Replace the dust cover and reconnect the battery negative terminal. Start the car and test the low and high beams. Make sure beam pattern looks correct and adjust aim if necessary. If the light flickers or doesn't come on, check the connector seating, inspect the fuses, and verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.